Learn how to reset Chrome settings on Android. Whether you're using Samsung or any other manufacturer, you will be able to reset it. So you just need to press and hold on the Chrome icon, and then you will find a window like this where you have widgets disabled, and there is one eye sign with the circle. You need to click on that. Right. Once you do that, you will find app info of Chrome. And then we just need to scroll down and we need to click on this storage section. Now here you see app, data, cache, and total. So it doesn't have any data like photos or videos. It's just the Chrome settings data. So you just need to click on clear data, and then you will find stored data that Chrome doesn't think is important, free up space, or all data stored by sites, including cookies, and total data used by Chrome include account, bookmarks, and saved settings. So if you want to do the whole reset, you just need to click on clear all data after reading all this, and then just click on OK, and you will see it has successfully cleaned and also clear the cache. You can see now it is only 36 MB. Data cache is cleared, and you have successfully reset the Chrome settings on Android. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day. Take care.